Welcome to Stateroom 10606 on the Disney Treasure. Ah, as if by magic. You're right there, Paul.
Yeah.
We're going to start at the door. So, because this is a veranda room, there is a split bathroom. So in this one, you've got your toilet. And there is, if you see up here, press night, turn the main light off, you've got a little night light. So that you don't blind everyone if you get up for a wee in the middle of the night. It's not a drawer. Space. There is space. And shelving. And toweling. And shelving. And hooks. And a drain in case it floods.
Indeed. Tissues.
And tissues, yes. And then coming across into this one is the bathroom. Ooh. With a full-size mirror. Hello. You've got a shower with a proper glass enclosure and a bathtub for anyone who may want a squished up bath. Then you've got your sink, vanity area, mirror, hello, shelving. They do give you the makeup cloth, more towels. Obviously this one does not have a night light because why on earth are you showering in the middle of the night?
If anybody wants an idea as to depth of shower. I am 5'9". I am also fully clothed. I'm not turning the shower on.
But you can lift that up. Push it in.
It's not pushing.
Oh, it's a twisty. There you go. Did it drip on you?
No, it's broken.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's broken.
How so? Oh, there you go. Just Paul breaking things. So whilst Paul's doing that, unless you're going to step out of the shower now. Oh, your boats I've just tripped over.
Cruise ship. Oh no, sorry, my shoes.
Boats.
Also underneath bin down there.
Yes, I have.
Which I like.
I have already shown that, yes.
Change.
And then you've got... Ooh.
Ooh.
Don't these slide on the Wish? Are they slidey on the Wish?
I don't know. I like these, they're nice.
You've got a lot of space. The ladder for the bunk bed,
Yep.
should you need it. Loads of space.
This one's slightly different over here. Life jackets in it.
Life jackets. Do you remember when we got married there were robes in there?
Ah, yeah.
Your laundry thing. Safe. It's a decent size. It's not laptop size, but it's decent size.
I could probably fit the MacBook in there.
You can fit your newer one, but
Yeah.
standard laptop's not so much. Then more space. More space. Again, life jacket up on that side.
There's nothing else behind it, I don't think. Oh, there's something else under it, but... laundry service
It's a
stuff.
spare one, I think, isn't it? Yeah. And these are actually...
Soft clothes.
They're really lovely. And then we come over here. I'm certain on the Wish, here was space,
Yes,
was
there
storage.
There was.
That's why it feels more roomy. So on the Wish, there is, on the edge, this is the edge of the wardrobe, here, there's like a corner unit. It sort of comes out like that. And it's quite, it takes up a lot of space. It does make getting around this bit quite difficult, especially if you were to have things like a buggy or whatever. So it's nice to see they've taken that out. It does open things up a lot more. Massive TV. Paul's just messing with the lights. And then we have a Finding Nemo bed. Yes.
It is.
Yes.
C and A.
And you've got one on your side of the bed.
This is my son.
That's what I mean. Normally it's on one side or the other.
And it's nice that you've got the phone by your side of the bed again.
I don't have the phone by my side of the bed. The phone lives up on here.
It does, yes.
So the phone is attached to the wall. And it's nice to see, again, this is different to the Wish. On the Wish, there is an additional shelf about here, which makes accessing the phone very challenging. But you've got these. And then instead of you're having drawer units over there, your drawers are now down there. Hairdryer. Another drawer. That one is your fridge, which we will be putting the Cloudum in. And then you've got loads of vanity space, loads of shelf space, Another mirror. Hello. This one lights up. And then you have, of course, stationery. We've only got, oh no, we've got a couple in there. So, don't forget to take that, by the way. You can take that. Oh God. And then you've got your sofa, which does fold down into a single bed. There's a Nemo art, and then this is also a bed, but it won't get open for us. And then we have our veranda. It's been a long time since we've had a veranda. It's been since November, which actually is probably not a long time to most people, but we are on the bump out. So before I come out here properly, you can see it's quite wide. And we've got our chairs. Don't step in the water. So, you're right there, dear?
Yeah.
So as you can see, we're on the bump out. So our thing comes all the way out, and then it just starts to go in again over there. So it means that we've got a wider balcony here, is all wider. And good to see that they're getting a lot of work done as well. You're right, dear? So that's our room tour. This is us done for this room tour. So thank you very much for joining us. I am all fogged up because it is so hot out here. But join us for our next room tour coming up very soon.
From the boardwalk.
Yes. Well, coming up in a week. A week for us, not a week for you.
And then a Holly.
Yeah, and then somewhere in California. So thank you for watching. All of our details are down here. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.